Okay.
Ja of nee? Ja of nee?
Why?
Ek vra vir jou oor al die kak wat jy nou maak. Die polisie en hospitaal en jou rug en jou mental health en kak. Want daar regte mense, regte werksmense stede nie aan sulke goed nie. Ons is manne hierso, ons werk. Ons praat kak uit en ons werk. So, wil jy nog by ons werk of moet ek iemand anders soek so lank?
Sorry, can you maybe speak properly to me?
Hallo Gershwin. Wil jy nog by werk of nie?
You don't need to be sarcastic.
Hallo Gershwin, jy so nou, wil jy by ons werk of nie? Luister, jy sê nie vir my hoe ek moet wees nie. Ek is hier vir op 'n basis hierso. Ek wil weet wat aangaan. Wat is jou intensies? Wat wil jy doen?
I was assaulted at work.
Okay, yes, no, you weren't assaulted, you were touched on your shoulder, okay? You will not get a verdict that says you are assaulted, okay? You can bank that. So my question is, do you still want to work?
But you weren't there to witness.
Wie fluister aan jou in jou agtergrond? Ek praat nie daarvan nie, ek vra vir jou. Wat wil jy doen? Wat is jou endgame? What's your endgame here? Do you want to work with it or not?
But why aren't you guys seeing the seriousness of me being assaulted at work?
You weren't assaulted. Okay? You weren't assaulted.
That is a form of
Wil jy nog
assault.
by ons werk of nie?
But that is a form of assault.
So as ek nou op jou skree, is dit ook 'n form of assault?
No, but he physically
No, maar-
touched me. He grabbed me. He pushed me
Wat is
out
fout
of
met
the
jou?
canteen.
Wat is fout met jou? Jy kom uit die Cape Flats uit. Het niemand nog nooit 'n gun op jou gerig of niks nie? Is jy nog nooit assaulted in die Cape Flats nie?
That got nothing to do with this. That
Jy
is
probeer die storie melk,
discrimination now
né?
that you're doing, and that is
dankie.
racist.
Dankie. Sê gou weer?
That is racist that you're telling me I'm from the Cape Flats, and if nobody ever pulled a gun on me, how can you say something
Why
like
is
that
it
to me?
racist? I never said it.
Because
I never
I'm
said it.
brown.
I never said it. Luister hierso meneertjie. Jy's besig met groot kak hierso. Okay.
Okay,
Is jy by die werk of nie?
I'm not at work because I come from hospital.
Do you have a doctor's letter?
I have a doctor's note, everything.
Okay, but we will issue you with a warning for absconding until you give us that letter, and you will also get other warnings. Ek dink jy moet maar vir jou ander fucking werk gaan soek, hoor.
Okay,
Okay, en hoor hierso, enigiets wat ek nou vir jou gesê het, gaan ek net deny dat ek dit gesê het. Okay. So jy moet nie dit ook in jou fucking case kom inbring nie.
okay.
Okay.